Okay, now let's go to our next lesson. I know that you have got tired, but remember, pain is temporary, but pride is forever. Okay, let's move to the next lesson. It's about even and odd numbers. Let's remember even and odd numbers together. We know that even number is the number that has the digits 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the units place. In the units place. So the only way to know that if the number is even or odd is to look to its units place. If we found any digit of these digits in the units place, we will say that it's even number directly. Like what? Let's see some example. Here I have the number 74. I will look to the units place here. I have here the number 4. And the number 4 is from these numbers, so it will be even number. I don't care with the rest of the digits. Okay, now I have 17,352. Again, I will look to the units place. I have 2, and 2 is from these numbers, so it's an even number. And what about the rest of the digits? I don't care about them. 1,996. Again, I will look to the units place. It's 6, and 6 is from these digits, so it's an even number. Here we have 0, so it's an even number. Here we have 8, so it's also an even number. Okay, now let's move to the odd number. What are the odd numbers? The numbers that has 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the units place. Let's see some examples of the odd numbers. Again, I will look to the units place. Here I have 9, and 9 is from these digits, so it's odd number. 3, odd number. 7, odd number. 5, odd number. And 1 is odd number. Okay, someone will tell me if I forget what are the even number and what are the odd number. I will tell you. What will you do? We will draw a stick like this. We will write here the numbers from 0, 0, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? The number on the left is the even number. And this part will be the odd numbers. So we will make this stick and write the numbers. We starting from the left, 0, 1 until 9. The numbers on the left is the even number, and the numbers on the right is the odd numbers. Okay, let's see some exercise on even and odd number. Here, he give me a number, 567, and he wants to tell me is n what number. When we see n what number, here is going to write even or odd. We will look to which place? We will look to the units place. We have 7, and 7 is from the odd number. So we are going to write odd number. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. The even number just before 16. Before 16, we have what? We have 15. Is 15 an even number? No, it's not an even number. It's odd number. So we are not going to write 15. Okay, but what will we do? We will think what the number before 15? It's 14. So this number will be the even number before 16. Okay, next one. The odd number just after 24. After 24, we have what? We have 25. Is 5 an odd number? Yes. So we will just try. Okay, now the next one. The three odd numbers that less than 7. I will think first. What are the numbers less than 7? It's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So I will pick the odd numbers only from here. He wants 3 odd numbers. So I will circle 5, 3, and 1. They are 3 odd numbers here, and I will write it like this. Okay. Now, the odd numbers lies between 33 and 43. And again, I will write all the numbers between 33 and 43, which are 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I will not try 33 or 43 because he wants a number between them only. Okay, and I will circle the odd ones. 35, yes, 37, 39, and 41. they are the odd numbers, and I will write it like this. Okay. Now the smallest odd number. I have the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What is the smallest between them? 1. Excellent. And the smallest even number. The even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the smallest between them? It's 0. Excellent. Okay. Now he wants two even numbers whose sum is 20. I want two even numbers and they have to be different. And their sum equal 20. I will think here like this. I will give any even number I know. We can say 2, we can say 4, we can say 6, we can say 0, we can say anything. I will pick here 4. And I will think 4 times what equal 20, because he wants the sum of them will be 20. So I will think 4 times what equal 20. It's 16. Excellent. So the two numbers are 4 and 16. And I will write it like this. Can I think of any other number? Yes, I can think of any other number. We can pick 6. Okay. 6 plus what equal 20? 6 plus 14. What will I do to get 14? I will say 20 minus 6 equal what? It's 14. So the two numbers are 6 and 14. Okay, the next one, two odd numbers whose sum is 16. Now he wants what? Two odd numbers. So I will think of any odd number I know, any one, doesn't matter what is it, but it has to be less than 16. I will think of maybe 3, maybe 7, maybe 5. I took here 5. And I will think 5 plus what equals 16? I will make 16 minus 5 and it will be 11. So the two numbers are 5 and 11. Again, I can try any other number, but it has to be less than 16. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Any even number plus 1 equal what number? What number meaning I have to say, is it even or odd number? Any even number plus 1 equal what number? I don't know. So I will think of any even number, like 8 or 4 or 6, whatever I want. I here thought of 8 and I will say 8 plus 1 equal 9. We got what? We got an odd number. So we will write here odd number. Any even number minus 1. If we take the same number here that we took, which was 8, okay? And make 8 minus 1 equal 7, equal 7. So we got what? Odd number again. So any even number minus 1 will give me an odd number. Okay. Now, any odd number plus 1 equal what number? I don't know again. So I will pick any odd number like 7. And I will say 7 plus 1 equal 8. And 8 is an even number. So I will write it even. If I make the same number here, 7 minus 1, it will give me 6, and 6 is also an even number. Now let's move to the last two exercise here. Any even number plus even number. And we took before in the school a simple song which says that even, even, equal, even. Odd, odd, equal, even. Okay? Again, let's sing it together. Even, even, equal, even. Odd, odd, equal, even. Even, even, equal, even. Odd, odd, equal, even also. Even, even, equal, even. Odd, odd, equal, even again. I will give you here an application to help you for more practice on even and odd number. Find it on the Play Store also. Its name is Even and Odd. And this is the link for that application. You can download it and practice more even and odd numbers here. Okay, we have finished our revision for today, and this will be the homework for you. It will be in your booklet. I know that we may solve it together, but please revise it again and make sure that you make all are right and make it again to be familiar with these lessons. Okay, our homework will be in booklet page 31, booklet page 32, booklet page 102, booklet page 103 until exercise 2 only. You will receive a model answer for this homework, but not today, after you finish it alone. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed our revision together and see you in the next video in revision 2 for the rest of Unit 1. Thank you so much, and I miss you so much, and I love you so much. Bye.